Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact link you want to convert and testing it in a browser so you avoid broken targets. Once done, pick a QR generator that supports dynamic codes because it lets you edit later. Next, prepare any UTM tags or short label to track clicks and accuracy. Make sure to sign up or log in to save history. Then create a new QR project and paste the verified link into the generator's URL field to begin the conversion process. Now you choose static if it never changes, or dynamic if you want to swap URLs later. That choice matters for flexibility. Then customize appearance, size, color, logo placement, and error correction level to balance aesthetics and scannability. After customization, preview the QR on phones and tablets to check alignment and contrast. Make sure scanners read it quickly. If you've added tracking parameters, verify they persist through the preview. When satisfied, export or save the QR in the appropriate file format. Finally, export the QR in the right format. Use PNG or SVG at high resolution for print and web-optimized settings for online use. Save a copy in the generator if dynamic. Deploy the code to your assets and scan from multiple devices and angles to confirm functionality. If you need to change the destination, update the dynamic target in the generator and retest. Troubleshooting tip: if scans fail, increase error correction or boost contrast against the background to resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.